Put your hands together. Hello, Ed. Congratulations. You are extremely beautiful. First time ko makita si Anne ng harap-harapan malapit, sobra. Nakakasama ko siya dito sa Aquila for some important events and occasions. Medyo malayo ng konti, pero ngayon, face-to-face, I watched your pageant, your competition in Thailand a few weeks ago. Exactly a month na ba? 2 months na ba? Wala pa. 2 weeks, yan. Nanood kami sa bahay, nakaproject sa malaking screen, because we were all watching and so happy because you have represented the Philippines. Dala-dala mo ang bandera natin, dala-dala mo ang bandera ng LGBTQIA community. International Queen, Philippines Grand Winner, Miss Anne Patricia Lorenzo Diaz. Come on, louder than that, rock the house down. Show some love. Congratulations, Eva Ryan. This is...
Oh my God. It's been 2 weeks and medyo hindi pa sa akin nagsisink in. Parang kailan lang nasa Thailand ako. Grabe, puyatan, pagod. And I'm very proud to represent our country in the Miss International Queen in Pattaya, Thailand. And now, I am here at Aquila Crystal Palace celebrating our victory together with the people na sobrang sumuporta sa akin. They exerted so much effort, time, everything na in-exert nila just for me to represent our country in the best possible way. Kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako at pumunta po kayo dito sa victory party po ng Miss International Queen Philippines para po sa victory natin as I represent the Philippines in the Miss International Queen. At sana po patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang organization ng Miss International Queen Philippines sa mga susunod pang taon dahil hindi pa tapos ang grade ko. Even I'm done competing in Thailand representing our country, I still have months of reign dito sa organization ng Miss International Queen Philippines, and I will make sure that I will do everything para mas maging fruitful and meaningful po ang reign ko sa MIQ Philippines organization. Thank you so much po.
We are having some
win for you. And then, like, from being bashed online, lahat ng negative comments, lahat talaga parang binato na sa'yo. But when you competed internationally, lahat yun nawala. From negativity to positivity, lahat yun nagbuwa dahil sa performance mo. Ano masasabi mo?
I'm so happy kasi nung lumipad ako papuntang Thailand, nandun kayo, di ba? So, hinatid nyo ako, sinamahan nyo ako until the moment na kailangan ko ng lakas ng loob para i-represent ang Philippines. Kasi lahat ng negativities na pinukol sa akin after I'm crowned, actually hindi kasi ako rin nagbasa that moment. Siguro effective yun na hindi ako nagbasa. And sabi ko nga kanina, from the moment that I was crowned, kinabukasan ng trabaho agad walang masyadong pahinga. So sa akin, walang panahon yung magbasa pa ako ng comments kasi it will distract me sa mission ko and then yung sa goal ko. So siguro kung yung may mga naririnig ako at may nakikita rin naman ako, even di ba, hindi ako nagbabasa, but to be honest, may nakikita ako. But I turned that negativity in a way para magkaroon ako ng mas maraming fuel to go through and to represent my country. And siguro yung sinasabi nila, turn your pain into power. So siguro yung ginawa ko, yun yung naging parang power ko sa Thailand na, okay ha, sinasabi nyo hindi ako deserving, but I will make sure na after this competition, whatever happens, magiging proud kayo na Pilipino tayong lahat.
Yes, and naging proud nga kami sa
Aquila. And first kasi, ang question ko, I think week before your flight to Bangkok or in Thailand, nakita ko na yung gowns mo for prelims and finals kasi you know naman, BFF with your Mama Ian. So, tas bigla nung, I think nung preliminary competition, I was shocked kasi sabi ko, bakit iba yung color or iba yung gown na nasuot? Can you share us about the story behind that?
Ayan. The story behind that is that, of course, in pageant, we expect na very unpredictable ang lahat. So you need to have, hindi lang plan A, hindi lang plan B, but also plan Z. So kasi sa Miss International, sobrang bilis ng phasing. It's a live show. So parang meron lang kami 5 minutes to change. My first gown, my supposedly preliminary gown, maganda siya, but medyo struggle akong suotin siya because may petticoat siya. It's a mermaid cut. So, nung nag-technical rehearsal, hindi ako umaabot sa 5 minutes. Medyo na-delay ako sa 5 minutes. So, me and the organization of Miss International Queen Philippines headed by Sir Tay and Densha, nagkaroon kami ng emergency call na yan, na kailangan namin magkaroon ng parang plan B gown. And then, ang nakakatuwa naman doon, because the designer of my preliminary gown is Alison Castro, my friend. And ang sabi ko lang, hiling ko lang kay Sir Tay is, kung papalitan natin yung preliminary gown, it's supposed to be Alison din. Dapat gawa din ni Alison. So, ginawa yung gown na yun, 24 hours. I think less than 24 hours din, di ba? So, ayan, less than 24 hours, and then lumipad yung family ko sa Thailand, dala-dala nila yung blue gown. So, ayun, the rest is history, ayan. And then, sobrang nag-fit naman siya, kasi siguro me and my designer, we're not customers or designers relationship eh. We're friends. So, siguro alam na niya yung bawat sentimentro ng katawan ko. kaya nung sinuot ko na lang siya na walang problema at nailakad ko siya. And I'm very happy. Kasi sabi ko kay Sir Tay, gusto ko ng gown na mag-shine ako. And then sabi ni Sir Tay, I think ang mag-shine ka dyan is yung teal blue. And then sabi ko, of course, teal blue is my lucky color. Kasi yung national costume ko from MIQ Philippines, teal blue. And then of course, nakoronahan naman tayo. And I'm very happy with that.
Okay. For the announcement of top 3, nakita ko nagpe-pray ka. So that moment, ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo? Like, ano na ba? Sobrang kabado na ba? Like, ano na ba yung minamanifest mo that time?
Ayun, after kasi the question and answer ng top 6, I'm very confident, hindi na papasok sa top 3, but I'm very confident with my answer, I'm very confident with my performance. And then nagdasal akong sabi ko, whatever happens, yun na yun, at least wala akong regrets. So parang hindi ako magre-regrets kasi dapat ito sinabi ko. So, nakakainis na utal ako, nakakainis na blanco ako, but I'm very happy na kung ano yung sinabi ko, wala na akong maisip na parang idadagdag pa doon na dapat mas sinabi ko para magpaganda yung sagot ko. So I'm very happy. Nagdasal lang ako na same goes ng dinasal ko rin nung tawagan nung MIQ Philippines nung 5 kami. Na kung ibibigay sa akin na papasok ko sa top 3, thank you so much. Sabi ko, thank you so much. And then please guide me to answer the question well again for the top 3. And then kung hindi naman, sana hindi siya maging mas mabigat sa akin. Na parang malulungkot ako, na parang hindi ko alam kung paano sisimulan yung araw ko. And then, yun naman, tinupad naman ng Diyos na after na hindi ako matawag from top 3, sobrang saya. Wala akong naramdaman na anything na parang panghihinayang, regrets or hatred or yung parang lungkot. Wala talaga at all. So, I'm very happy.
Is now officially open.